constantly jumping from one app to the next, struggling to focus on even the simplest tasks. Let's test something. Can you stay focused for just 3 minutes? Let's find out. Distractions are everywhere, stealing your focus. In fact, the average human attention span has dropped to 8 seconds. That's less than a goldfish. Think about that for a second. A goldfish can focus longer than we can. Honestly, isn't that a little embarrassing? But here's the good news. You can train your brain to focus better, starting now. For the next 30 seconds, I want you to do one thing. Focus. No scrolling, no distractions. Just stay here, stay present. 30 seconds, not even a full minute. It would be pretty sad if we've lost the ability to focus for this short amount of time, don't you think? Let's see if you can do it. Let's begin. How did that feel? If you made it through, congratulations. That 30-second challenge might have felt impossible, but it's proof of how much we rely on constant stimulation. For some of you, that might have been simple, but for others, it could have been a real challenge. Either way, that's already a good sign. You're here, and you're trying. Be proud of yourself. And if it felt hard, remember, you can change it. The truth is, focus is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. Start small. Practice focusing for short intervals. Create phone-free zones when you work. And use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to stay on track. These small habits will help rebuild your focus and unlock your potential. Start small. Keep practicing and take control of your focus. Also, remember to limit your time on social media. It's designed to steal your attention and can make it harder to focus on what truly matters. Protect your focus by being intentional with your time and energy. Now go off your phone and do something productive.